Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Paddock. This is your morning meeting. I'm going to turn the camera right over to the calendar, and we're going to get started right away. Here is our month of May, M-A-Y. Remember, A and Y, they're cool and they go A. So M-A, May. And today's the 12th. So May the 12th. And we're going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ready to sing with me? 1, 2, 3. Today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. Excellent job. Tomorrow will be May the 13th, and that's a special day. It's a day that we celebrate Our Lady of Fatima. I'm going to be doing a little video for you for tomorrow about that, so do watch that video, okay? So that's for tomorrow, May the 13th. It's a special day for Catholics where we celebrate Jesus's mom, and but we call it Our Lady of Fatima because she appeared in a place called Fatima in Portugal. But we'll talk more about that in my video tomorrow, okay? Let's move on to our days of the week. 1, 2, 3, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days of the week. Excellent job, my friends. Let us look over here to our months of the year. 1, 2, 3, January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. Excellent job. And our numbers chart here. Let's look at our tens column here. So we're going to skip count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Let's skip count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job, my friends. Let's count backwards from 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Excellent job. Our season, of course, is spring. And then we have 4 seasons, right? Spring, summer, fall, winter. So after spring, of course, it will be summer. That'll be in June, later on in June. We'll talk more about it then. Our weather for today, right now, it's pretty chilly. It's like -7, so it's cold out there. Feels like -7 anyways. But it's supposed to get nicer today. It's supposed to go to, I think, about 13, which will be better than yesterday, because boy, oh boy, yesterday was sure cold, eh? Let's look outside my window and see what it's like out there. Okay, hold on 1 second. And there you have it. The sun is out. It looks like a nice day out there. And yeah, so try and get out there and get some fresh air and enjoy it, because I heard that tomorrow it's supposed to rain on Wednesday. So, you know, we ought, of course, you know, we're usually inside when it rains. So today, get out there and enjoy it. I know I have to do a little bit of stuff out in the yard before the rain. So that'll be me later this afternoon. This week, our letter is the letter Z. Yay! It's the last letter of the alphabet, right? Z. Remember, we're Canadians and we say Z. If you're American, you would say Z, right? So that's the difference, right? Depends on where you live. But we say Z here in Canada, okay? Our number is 26, 2-6 together. Remember, not too close, not too far, just right, right? Just like Goldilocks. I'm going to show you my workbooks that we've been working through. So alphabet book number 1 and 2 you should be working on, and numbers 1 and 2 as well, okay? Your books. So work through those as well. Don't forget your assessments as well. I'm going to show you our booklets here. Give me 1 second. So here we have it. Here is our workbook number 1. Number 1 for the numbers booklet, and it's the number 26. So again, not too close, not too far. 26. Remember, the 2 can either be flat on the bottom or have that little loop. Okay, it's your choice. You're going to trace the 26 here. You're going to color it. I chose purple. You can choose whatever color you want. And then you're going to trace the word 26 do it 26, trace it here, and then do it 4 times each. Don't forget your 10 frames, nice dots, okay? Make sure that you're coloring those dots in. Don't just do a little line on there, okay? So there's 10, 20, and 6. So 20 plus 6 is 26. Let's move on to our numbers book number 2 here. Okay, so numbers book number 2. So we're gonna fill in the missing numbers. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh my goodness, I did not do this. Silly Mrs. Paddock, right? I'm gonna go get my marker right now and we're gonna do that. You gotta follow me a little bit here so I can get my marker. Goodness me, what a silly Mrs. Paddock. So let's fill that out. Okay, so again, there's our 10 frame and we're gonna add our dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fill them in nicely, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Now we need 6 more though, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 and 10 is 20 and 6 more is 26, right? Perfect job there, my friends. Okay, so whew, I thought I was gonna miss that. Now for our tally marks, don't forget that they're just the lines, and then when you get to 5, you gotta go across, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then one more, 26. When you're drawing, you can pick whatever you wanna choose to draw. I chose X's this time, and I went 10, 20, and 6. Remember to make it nice and neat so it's easier to count, okay? Then here you're gonna do 26, 26, 26, 26. Then down here you're gonna go from 1 all the way to 26. Don't go up to 30 though, just to 26. Here on this page it says I can draw 26 butterflies. Now these are what butterflies look like. When you draw your butterfly, I'm gonna show you an easy way. I'm just gonna do one down here so you can see it. So I do all of my bodies first. So I do a body like that. And then I just kind of do the number 3. Watch, 3. And then a backwards 3. See? And then add a little antenna. See how easy that is to do a butterfly? So it's just kind of a little, almost like a 0 and a couple of 3s. A 3 the right way and a 3 the wrong way, and then 2 little lines. And there you have your butterflies. And I went by 5s here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. Don't count that one, right? Because that one I just showed you. All right, let's move on to our alphabet book number 1. Again, our letter is Z, and Z says zzz, right? Like a buzzing bee. So don't forget that you start at the top, at the sky, go across, go down to the grass, and then across again on the grass. That's for uppercase. For lowercase, it's just from the train tracks to the grass. So train tracks across, down to the grass, and across at the grass, okay? Pretty easy. They both look the same. It's just where they are on the line. Do them 4 times each, trace them and then do them 4 times each. Don't forget this side here, tracing them and then doing them 4 times each. Now for our pictures here, I chose the color purple. You can do whatever color you want. So this is not a donut, this is the number 0, right? And 0, does it start with a Z? Let me put this book on here so it doesn't flip on me here. Yeah, sorry. 0, does that start with the letter Z? Z? Does it sound like it? Z, z, 0? Yeah, it does, right? Thumbs up. This here is the zoo. Z, z, zoo. Yep, thumbs up. Peanut. P, p, peanut. Nope. Put an X to that. Starts with a P, doesn't it? And then we have a zebra. Z, z, zebra. Yep, thumbs up. So color the 0, the zoo, and the zebra. I chose purple. You choose whatever color you want. All right, our last one, alphabet book number 2. At the top here, it says zebra at the zoo. Zebra at the zoo. Okay, so there we go. A Z there and a Z there. And for my picture, of course, we have a zebra here. And we had some squares, right? So there's a square here and a square here and a triangle, right? So I chose orange for the mouth part here of the zebra. I chose red for this square, and I chose blue for the triangle. You can choose whichever colors you want, okay? Just remember what those shapes are. That would be great. Now don't forget to trace the Z's here and then do them as many times as you can. For this row here, I could only put in 3 and that's okay. But down here, I was able to do 4, okay? Now we're gonna turn the page. It's our last page, hurrah! Okay, so I chose purple. You can choose whichever color you want. And goodness me. Right. So here we go. So this instrument here, the second picture here in the first row, it's called a zither. It's kind of a funny looking instrument. It's a zither. And so of course I wrote it down here so you can see it does start with the letter Z, right? So thumbs up. This is a purse. So purse starts with a P. No, thank you. Put an X through that. This is a zoo. Zoo. Yeah, color the zoo. Second row, first picture, we got a 0. Zero. Yep, color that. Hat. No way, right? That starts with an H. This is called Zeppelin. Zeppelin. It's a special kind of like plane. Zeppelin. Yeah, color that. This is a bucket. Bucket. Nope, that starts with a B. Then last row, first picture, zipper. Yep, color the zipper, right? Then we have hippo. Hippo. Nope. Put an X through that. Witch. Witch. Nope, that's a W, right? No, thank you. And then we have a zebra there, right? Zebra. So color the zebra. Don't forget to trace and do them 4 times on the bottom here too. Excellent. All right. So great job, boys and girls. You're almost done your alphabet books. Next week, we're going to be starting our sight words booklets, okay? So that's great. A few people have finished their work. So we're going to chat about those people. Let's see. Abby. Abby finished her I See Animals worksheet, that assessment. She did a great job on it. I loved your animals too. That was really good. Vivon has finished all 3 of his assignments now. Well done, Vivon. So I See Animals, 3D shapes, and his pets, tall and short. Remember, those are the 3 assessments this week. Great job, Vivon. I was happy to see that. Isabella did her 3D shapes assessment. Well done, Isabella. And Isabella, gosh, that outfit that you created, like, magnificent. You're gonna have to start designing some of my clothes because I gotta say, I don't really have, you know, time to design clothes, and you got a little bit of time right now, and you're such a fashion designer. You're gonna be designing my clothes in the future too, I think. I think that's what you're gonna be. I think you're gonna be a fashion designer. But that outfit you created was magnificent. Keep it up, Isabella, okay? Jiu did all 3 of her assignments. I See Animals, 3D shapes, and the pets, tall and short. So great job, Jiu. I saw that you went and flew your kite. I hope it was a windy day because of course you need some wind to fly a kite, right? It looked like it was windy and the kite was up in the air. So great job, Jiu. What a fun activity. Hope it wasn't too cold though. Sometimes it's a little chilly out there when it's windy, right? So good job, Jiu. Lauren did her animals one. I See Animals. You did a great job. I loved your picture. You had some looked like Fruit Loops in your mouth there, Lauren. I loved it. So cute, Lauren. We talked about Michaela. She already finished all 3 of her assignments. Mia finished all 3 of her assignments as well. I See Animals, 3D shapes, and the pets, tall and short. Prince did all of his assignments as well. Great job, Mia and Prince. And Sarah finished all 3 of her assignments too. I See Animals, 3D shapes, and pets, tall and short. My goodness, you guys were just like on the ball yesterday. It was just Monday yesterday. Everybody's like finished all 3 of their assessments. Great job. So you guys have still a little bit of work to do, right? Don't forget and watch our morning meetings and listen to the stories as well that I'm posting on YouTube, okay? Hope you have a great day. Boys and girls, make sure you get out there and enjoy the sun today because tomorrow it is supposed to rain, okay? So make sure, but of course, tell your parents if you're going outside, okay? Tell your mom and dad that you love them very much and have a wonderful day. I love you and I miss you lots, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.